Hi, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today we are going to be troubleshooting a Dorma ED700 motor here. So the spec, we're going to do an ohm test on it. The spec we want to have is going to be anywhere from 16 to 30 ohms, and that will signify a good motor. Now this test and that ohm reading I just gave is only good for the yellow and green control for the ED700. They had an older style control that used a different motor, so this is not for that. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the unit in. You're going to make sure, if you're doing this on the door, make sure you have your door powered off and there is no voltage coming into that control first. Then what we're going to do is get a multimeter here. We're going to set it to ohms, and we are simply going to check the black and the red wires and check the resistance. And as you can see here, I'm reading 21.7, 21.6 ohms, which is within spec. So this motor is actually good and is not the issue. Now, the other thing we want to check is we want to make sure that the carbon buildup in the brushes has not caused a direct short in the motor. Way to check that, we're going to leave it on ohms, and we are going to we're going to do it for each leg, and we're going to touch one end to the power lead and then one end to the case, and you want to see an overload. You don't want to see a finite number. That means that it's not shorted. So this leg is good. Now let me go to the other leg. And the other leg is good. So that passes the check here. Thank you guys for watching.